welcome back to your phonics class. Today we will learn some ET word family. Okay, I have written here ET. If we will join these two alphabets, we will get the sound it. ET, it. Now, if I will write here J, we will join these three alphabets. We will get the sound jet. J-E-T. Jet. Same way, next one. Again I have written here E-T. Now I will write here N. Now we have to join these three alphabets to get the sound met. M-E-T. Met. Next one. Now I will write here N. Now we have to join these three alphabets. Then we will get the sound net. N-E-T. Net. Same way, here also I have to write one alphabet. Suppose I will write here V. Now we will join these three alphabets. V-E-T. Wet. So we will get the sound wet. V-E-T. Wet. Last one. Here I will write P. Now we will join these three alphabets. P-E-T. Pet. So we are getting the sound pet. P-E-T. Pet. Okay. Now we will start with our phonics book. Today we will do page number 21. All these are E-sound words. This is the picture of jet. J-E-T. Jet. J-E-T. Jet. It is an airplane powered by one or more jet engines. Next picture is met. M-E-T. Met. M-E-T. Met. It means when two or more person or things come together. Next one is net. N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. Net is a kind of cloth that we can see through it. This is the picture of pet. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. It is a domestic animal kept for companionship or pleasure. This is the picture of vet. V-E-T. Vet. V-E-T. Vet. A person who is trained to take care of the health of animals. Last one is wet. W-E-T. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. It is something covered or saturated with water or another liquid. Once again we will read. This is the picture of jet. J-E-T. Jet. This one is met. M-E-T. Met. Net. N-E-T. Net. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Wet. V-E-T. Wet. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Now I will show you how to write the spelling. Okay, jet. Here you have to write jet spelling like this. J-E-T. Jet. Next one is met. M-E-T. Met. This one is net. N-E-T. Net. Like this you have to write all the spellings. Now Students, page number 23 and page number 24 is your exercise you have to do in your home. All the spellings you have got in your previous pages. Now, one I will show you how to do. Write the words and color the pictures. This is the picture of bed. You have to color this bed and you will write your bed spelling like this. B E D, bed. Now one I will show you in page number 24 also. Look at the pictures and circle the correct word in each set. This is the picture of red. Here you have to circle red spelling. Okay. R-E-D, red. W-E-D, wet. F-L-E-D, flat. This is the spelling of wet. W-E-D, wet. This is the correct spelling. So you have to circle this spelling, okay, like this. Okay. Now like this you have to do all the spellings. Okay.